how to edit KSI's intro in After Effects. First we're going to start off by rotoscoping out the background. Go to this little man icon, click it, and then click our layer we want to rotoscope. And then paint out the areas that we want selected. If the selection goes a bit wrong, you can hold Alt and then you'll be able to take away from the selection with the red brush. Then once you're happy with the selection, click freeze, and then this will lock in your selection. Just watch it to make sure it doesn't do any errors. If it does, you'll just have to unfreeze and then change your selection and then refreeze it. And if you want to make your selection a bit smoother, you can reduce the chatter, and I normally do it by about 50%. Now duplicate the layer and remove the rotor brush from the bottom clip. Then create a new text layer, put it into position and move it below the rotoscoped out layer we did earlier. Then you can scale it in and out. I just did 5 frames and started the scale at 0. And then we want to add a slow zoom onto it all. So select all the layers, click pre-compose, click OK. First change the anchor point, so we're zooming in on the person's face. In order to do this, click Y and then you'll be able to move anchor point. Now that we have the anchor point in the correct position, go to scale, do a keyframe at 100 and then zoom in to 130 and then put the other keyframe at the end. And then to add in the flames, click back into the pre-comp. I've got myself an overlay layer with a black background and some flames. Then put this below the rotoscoped layer and then change the mode to screen. And then you should be left with this.